Hey everyone, long time no see. One thing after another. It was frustrating that for 2 weeks in September I didn't wear makeup because I had no energy. Then my eye gets infected. I'm thinking it's gonna go away in 3 days. I do my makeup for Halloween and I start using the medicine the doctor gave me, and my eye just kept swelling and swelling and swelling. And then they gave me eye drops, and that's worked slowly. I mean, you could see it was like a whole month. It's been a month since I've done a video that I had it looked like a white head. But I had to use it for 2 weeks, and everything's gone. But my eye stayed kind of droopy, and he said it might stay that way. Something about its eye's way of protecting itself. That was the worst eye I ever had in my whole life. Anyway, so I finally get to do the little twin stars, and today I'm gonna do pink and purple. Decided to use my MAC. It's a pink. I don't know if it was limited edition, but it's called Fresco Rose. This many years ago. It's the only MAC paint pot I own. Anyway, let's put that on. This palette kinda reminds me of the Color Powerpuff Girls collection. And I have a story to tell you about them. A horrible story. And since then I have found out that they are just a horrible company. So I think I'm going to start out with that pretty pink. Well, the reason this reminds me of the Powerpuff Girl collection is because they put in mostly pastels in there, all pastels, and this really only has one contour color, although I'm going to use that purple as a contour today, but these two are the only two dark enough to actually be contoured. And the one in Powerpuff Girl, none of those colors are for contouring. But let's start with that pretty pink, which is this one. Oh, that's a lot of fallout, but I don't mind it. Yeah, so I got sick. It was the weirdest thing. I never had a cold quite like this. Friday, one side of my sinuses were just pouring out. Just one side only. One side of my nostril. Just pouring out mucus. I was just doing makeup on one eye. Man, I missed doing my makeup, man. You don't know. This light purple as a transition, and then that as the contour. So yeah, that was really weird. Like just one side. And my throat felt so raw and scratchy. And it started, I thought it was just allergies, because I had dropped something in my bed frame, and when I pulled it out, it was horrible. Like a mountain of dust came out, went all over my bed, and that's when it started. So I thought, that's probably the situation. It's probably just my allergies to that dust. But Saturday, it was just horrible. Just the pouring out and the scratchy throat. And when I have a scratchy throat, I cough, and it was just really bad. But by Monday, I felt a little bit better. And Tuesday I think I'm going to go with this. It looks like a beige with a pink duochrome. That's going to be my highlight. But, even with that, it was just weird. It lasted so shortly. It was only bad for like 1 or 2 days. I was like sleeping a lot. It was really weird. And then, Monday I started feeling better. And then Tuesday I had the doctor's appointment. And by Wednesday, I was mostly okay. But on Wednesday, I started to prepare for Thanksgiving. It was just really weird. And so I wasn't cooking, thank God. My sister-in-law was cooking, my brother's wife. His Southern Belle, that's so cute. He calls her Southern Belle. And I made the food, and I made like some desserts and made flan actually. I made 2 big flans. I'm gonna go into this glitter. Thursday I was feeling a lot better, but I'm not sure why. Over the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I was like dead. I don't know. Maybe just everything caught up to me. I don't know. I'm gonna put this gold right here in the inner corner. But I did grocery because my sister-in-law makes so much food that I have enough food for the whole weekend. But yesterday I did groceries, took a shower, washed my hair. It was my wash my hair day, and decided I'm gonna do the video today. But I was so tired I forgot to upload the video till yesterday. That was just weird. So just to let you know, I tried the scrub, and it's a little rough. I think that's the point, to clean out any, I guess, dry skin. So I tried the scrub. It smells good. I didn't really taste anything. And then since my lips absorb moisture like crazy, I'm gonna have to put on some lip balm, and that's when I'll try the pink one. But it's moisturizing though, even though it's a little rough, I guess, to clean off the dry skin. So anyway, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I used the purpley lip mousse and the nice frosty, one of the nice frosty pink lip glosses. I used this blush highlighter, and I use this. You can see it. Goodness. I used pink for the inner corners and yellow. No, pink for the waterline and then yellow for the inner corners. It's like a gold. But anyway, that's that with that. So I used all this today. It smells good. I remember when I first tried it out, everything smelled really good. I did this setting spray as well. Yeah, face mist or whatever. Anyway, so I wanted to do my video today, and hopefully I don't get any type of relapses.